the information which was shared, firstly, it was wrong to some extent, correct to some extent, and secondly, it was premature before council had even made a decision. We were surprised to see messages circulating before council even said. It's very unfortunate. We are not sure who did that. Maybe it is one of our council employees or one of our councillors. We are not aware. But in terms of our court, that is very wrong. Information only becomes public when it has been resolved on by council. When it is still under discussion, it cannot be, shared as a council decision. And when a decision is made by council, it's also a collective decision. It is not, aligned to any individuals. It becomes a collective position that even if my colleague was not agreeing to it, but once a resolution it is passed, I should be supporting it. Unless it is a criminal decision that was passed by council and you raised your objection to that, resolution within council, then you are allowed to raise those objections with the public. But if you did not raise the objection and it is made as a council decision, it becomes a collective. Just a bit of background. City of Umtare prior to, I think, 2022, going backwards, was not very active in the support of sporting activities in the city. It was mostly our soccer club, Umtare City Rovers. The city was not very active, although it was involved, but it was not very active in other sporting disciplines. And we were receiving complaints that this city, while we were using this to fight, the drug abuse and you know, any challenges that are relating to the abuse of drugs through sports, we were challenged not to only consider soccer. And as a result, we came up with a policy